I have a very clean and simple card for you today. I just thought it would be really nice to show you how this rainbow die works. Here's the dies we'll be using and the products. We have the You Are My Sunshine die set, and there's your rainbow. Going to be using the Raindrops embossing folder to add a little texture to the background. And then I've actually cut my mats and layers and whatnot with the double pierced squares, both the A and the B set for you. Okay. Now, I think what is most important to show you is this rainbow die. Now, this is kind of a unique die in that it cuts all the sections, but you end up with them cut out, but still attached. So to make a rainbow, if you want to use one color, two color, 5, it's actually got 7 that you can use, I believe. You can do that any way you want. The nice thing is when you cut the different colors, you can make more than one card with them, using 1 or 2 from each one. So you'll always have different sizes you can use. The other thing is to cut a base. This is how I do it. I take 2 pieces of card, just base color card together, and I put them down on my cutting plate with my rainbow, and I'm running it through. Now I'm just going to run it through once. Generally speaking, it will cut the top one, but not the bottom one all the way through. So you will end up with a rainbow that is attached. There's actually 2 here. There we go. So the top one will have all the little pieces cut, but the bottom one gives you a nice base, and that's what you can move and add your rainbow to. Okay, so I've got one I've added a little bit of mounting foam onto. Going to do a tiny bit of embossing with our Raindrops folder first, and I'll give you a quick measurement on this. This piece is 5.5 inches square. Just going to put that inside, switch out our plates, get my raspberry adapter. So you can see you get a really lovely emboss on those raindrops. Just love the way that looks. I'm going to put that onto my matte layer, and let's use a little bit of tape for that. Oops. Tape that into place. A couple more little ones to make it secure. Okay. And that will fit right inside of those pierced dots. And I'm going to go ahead and put that onto my backing. I've got a white on white mat with my usual piercing around the edge. We're going to let all the color come from our rainbow. There we go. Okay, set that to the side for the moment. So now we're going to work on the rainbow. You can either add glue to this, but I think I'll do just a spray glue, a real quick one. And I've selected several different colors, and you just want to start with the smallest one. This one looks like it's the duck egg blue, and I'm going to layer that onto that spot. And don't worry if it's not perfectly even on the bottom. You can trim it if you like. The next one is kind of a blush card. There we go. I'm going to go into a Wisteria. Just build up that rainbow. Give them a good push. Got kind of a peach color next. Get them as tight as you can there. Okay. Got kind of a straw yellow. Oops, get there. And a sky blue, or actually that looks like blue dusk. Pop that one down into place. And last I'm going to use a sort of a honeydew melon green. Just get that on there onto my base real nicely. Give it a good push into place. And you can see it's not completely even on the bottom, but we have a solution for that. Little clouds in the set. We're going to pop these right onto the ends. Right about like that. Got one on this side. Covering those little bottom areas. And I've got one I'm going to put on there flat. So just put a little bit of glue on that. Let's see, wrong side, there we go. Angle that just down a little bit. So I have two on one side, one on the other. I'm going to bring in the base piece. In fact, we'll go ahead and put it onto our card. And I'm just going to pop that up in the center here. There we go. I've got some mounting foam already on the back of my rainbow. Put that right on there like that. So cute. And I've gone ahead and cut out the sentiment, one of the sentiments from the set, and this says to brighten your day. I've done it in Wisteria, and I've done two of them and just stacked them together. I'm going to put them on with some spray glue. And that'll fit right down here in the corner. Give that a second to set up. And just as a little finishing touch, I'm going to bring in some glossy accents. We're going to add a few to some of the raindrops. Just here and there. There we go. A few here and there just to make it look like rain in the background. And there you have it. Quick, easy, clean, and simple card that anybody would love. And I think this would be a perfect thing to send a friend that's just needing a little something special. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Look for us on our YouTube channel, and don't forget, subscribe.